I would like to do a unboxing video on this. This is the Atomy 3 item. Inside there's 3 items, which is a toner, lotion and essence. Okay, so I think men's will need something like this for the daily care. Well, actually I discovered that the ingredient list actually is behind the box. Behind this box, yeah, you can see the ingredient list for the Atomy Men Toner, the Atomy Men Lotion, the Atomy Men Essence. So it's all stated inside the, outside this box. Unlike the conventional bottles that you can find on the bottle itself. Yeah, so you can refer to this if you want to look for any ingredients. So let's unbox and take a look. Okay, so when I open the package, I can see that there is a brochure. Basically the product is from Korea. You can see that there are actually 3 bottles, and there's some stickers. I guess you can stick it on the bottle itself. And this is the toner, the lotions, and the essence. Okay, it's pretty neat. And the instruction on how to use it. So there's 3 steps towards men's care. This Atomy Men's 3 kit basically will cover all that you need for your daily care. And while the instruction is in Korea, I think we understand that basically you just apply based on the 3 types of men's grooming toner, which is the step 1. The step 2 is to apply the essence, and step 3 is to apply the lotions. So you can see from the box that the presentation is pretty nice and neat. Yeah, and let's look at the casing. Well, it's a squarish shape or rectangular shapes type of packaging. And you can see from the side that there is a slight design. However, you cannot see the content inside. So this is the first products, which is the men toner. So let's open up and see. Okay, just need to turn. Yeah, it's actually a seal up package. Okay, it's pretty neat. Yeah. So behind it there is explanations, like for example the distribution and made in Korea, but it was not stated, I think, anywhere in the content what is being put inside this. Yeah, probably it's a special formula. So next we have is the Atomy Essence. Okay, so the essence is the after you have used your toner. So prior to using these 3 types of men care, you need to of course wash your faces before using all these 3. So it says here is actually is 45. The previous one is 140 ml. This is 45 ml. So same thing, you can open it this way. Yeah, it's a type that you just press. So behind is again the same thing. It says that it's made in Korea. You can see from here, but there isn't any much of the ingredient list or there isn't much of the content list that what is being put into this product itself. And the next one is the lotions. Okay, it's the men's lotions. So the lotion basically I think acts as a moisturizer you use after your facial wash. Let's take a look. Okay. So that's how it looks. So I've not tried this product before, and I'm also not a distributor of this product. I just came across this brand and like to try this out and see what's the result after 2 weeks. So thank you everyone for watching, and hope this is useful to you.